We received a call this morning at 1:01 a.m. for a fire in the area of 9th and J Street. The caller believed an apartment was on fire. We arrived in 4 minutes and found a high-pressure gas line that was feeding a business in the alley between 9th and 10th off of J Street. Was well involved in fire, and it was a gas-fed fire. Crews were able to push the fire back enough to where they were able to shut the gas off, and that eliminated the fire being fed. We were able to force entry into several of the businesses and limit the extension, very minor extension into the businesses. This fire had a tremendous potential to be a very large fire in the block area. PG&E is going to have to come and dig up the high pressure line before they can change the meter out. We've still got a minor leak, and that's obviously a big concern of ours right now.
To check for extension on the interior of the building. They're entering off the J Street side, which is the Alpha side. Copy, J Street Alpha side, this is true. The restaurant off of 10th Street. Hey, firm. No fire, a lot of smoke. Copy that. I got engine 4 coming to you now. Hey, Chief, engine 5, we're on 10th of J right now. Copy, engine 5. Go ahead and bring PPEs, come to the command post at 9th and J.